Imagine if creating complex spreadsheets, professional documents, and stunning presentations was as simple as having a conversation. Sounds too good to be true? Microsoft is turning this into a reality with its groundbreaking Vibe working feature in Excel and Word. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this the future of productivity, or are we outsourcing creativity to machines? Let's dive in. You might have heard of vibe coding, where beginners build apps using AI prompts. But Microsoft is taking this concept to the next level with its Office apps. The tech giant has just launched Agent Mode in Excel and Word, a feature that transforms simple prompts into sophisticated spreadsheets and documents. Alongside this, the new Office agent in Copilot Chat, powered by Anthropic models, can whip up PowerPoint presentations and Word documents in a flash.
And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about automation. It's about making complex tasks accessible to everyone, even non-experts. Sumit Chauhan, Corporate Vice President of Microsoft's Office Product Group, explains, just as vibe coding revolutionized software development, vibe working is set to redefine productivity in Office apps. Agent Mode is a supercharged version of Microsoft's existing Copilot, designed to break down intricate tasks into manageable steps. For instance, it can create board-ready presentations or consultant-level documents in minutes, something that would typically take hours of manual work. Here's how it works. Agent Mode uses OpenAI's GPT-5 model to plan, reason, and execute each step of document or spreadsheet creation. Think of it as an automated assistant working in real time with every action visible in the sidebar. But what about accuracy? Microsoft claims its Agent Mode in Excel achieves a 57.2% accuracy rate on SpreadsheetBench, outperforming competitors like Shortcut.ai and Claude Files Opus 4.1. While it still lags behind human accuracy, 71.3%, it's a significant leap forward. Controversial question. Are we okay with AI handling tasks that were once the domain of skilled professionals? Let us know in the comments. In Word, Agent Mode goes beyond basic writing assistance. It turns document creation into an interactive conversational experience, where Copilot drafts, refines, and clarifies content. The Office agent, available via Copilot Chat, can create fully structured PowerPoint decks while conducting web research and providing live slide previews. This move is Microsoft's way of staying ahead in a crowded AI tools market. Productivity is our DNA, Chauhan asserts. Others may try to replicate us, but there's no substitute for the real thing. Here's an interesting twist. While OpenAI models still power much of Microsoft's AI, Anthropic's models are gaining ground. Microsoft is now using Anthropic's API for Copilot Chat, which runs on Amazon Web Services. Could this be why Anthropic's models aren't yet deeply integrated into desktop Office apps? Only time will tell. Agent Mode and Office Agent are available today for Microsoft 365 Copilot customers and personal, family subscribers in the US, though desktop support for Excel and Word is still on the horizon. So, what do you think? Is Vibe working the future of productivity, or are we losing something inherently human in the process? Share your thoughts below.